The overall goal of this procedure is to provide a quantitative assessment of the effect of delay on the present value of a given commodity.
This method, originally developed by Dew, Green, and Meyerson, allows for quantification of delay discounting. Delay discounting describes the degree to which delay impacts the present value of an outcome, and has been linked to a variety of risky behaviors, such as substance abuse, obesity, and gambling.
The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a robust and reliable measure of delay discounting in a relatively brief amount of time.
While this method has often been used to describe pre-existing differences across populations, our hope is that more work can build on its use as a diagnostic tool or target for intervention.
Generally, experimenters new to this procedure may be challenged because the procedure requires an algorithm for determining an indifference point, which must be embedded within a computer program.
Visual demonstration of this method can be helpful because small errors in the algorithm can lead to drastically different results.
Begin by choosing the range of delays for which delay discounting will be assessed. Then, choose the maximum amount of money, which will serve as the delayed outcome in the task. Following that, choose the number of trials that must be completed to determine an indifference point at each delay. Next, have the participant sit in an isolated room in front of a computer. Ask them to turn off their cell phone or any other electronic devices. Provide the participant with an informed consent form to review and sign if they agree to participate in the task. Then, start the program by clicking the icon associated with the task on the